Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to integrate Google AdSense with Google Sites. It's super easy and let me show you how to do it. So first, open Google AdSense and create your account. Fill in all the required info like your site's name, choose the right category, and select your country. Make sure to review and agree to all the terms and policies, then click Start Using AdSense. Once you click that, you will see a dashboard with options like Home, Ads, Sites, Privacy, and more. Right in the middle, click the Add Site button. Enter your website URL and hit Save. After you hit Save, scroll down and click Connect your site to AdSense. Then enter again your URL and save. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Google AdSense with your Google site. Thanks for watching.